directed to call the roll for nominal voting.
Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa. Senator Ejercito. Senator Estrada. Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Ontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid. Senator Legarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla. Senator Pangilinan. Senator Soto.
Oops.
I register my vote, Mr. President.
The minority leader may proceed.
Thank you. Mr. President, the Supreme Court decision is now pending appeal. It is prudent to wait for the results rather than prematurely archiving, if not dismissing, because I know for a fact, once it is archived, it is dead. So what happens if the Supreme Court reverses itself? Clear and blatant errors are present in the ruling of the Supreme Court. First, they misunderstood the legislative process in assuming that the 19th Congress adjourned sine die in February 5. Grave error. Thus effectively dismissing the first three complaints, paving the way for them to say na ano pala, yung 1-year ban binayolate. The archiving of the three complaints were done after the initiation of the fourth complaint.
Tama.
The 1-year ban did not set in. Second, the decision practically amended the clear mandate by the Constitution by placing a hierarchy.
Napabuntong hininga si Cayetano. Nakita nyo, gumanon siya eh. Oh, ngayon guys, nakita nyo na yung mga bumoto nang nag-no. Alam nyo na kung sino yung mga yan. Markado kayo ngayon.
On the modes to initiate an impeachment complaint. Parang wala na yung third option. Third, the Supreme Court retroactively applied the new definition to the present case in the violation of the doctrine of operative facts, thus voiding as well the impeachment proceedings of former President Estrada and Chief Justice Corona. They did not interpret the Constitution, Mr. President. They amended the Constitution. So lastly, the Supreme Court now...
Tama, hindi nila ininterpret, dinagdagan, inamen, binago.
Now has the chance to rectify these errors in its decision. So I was hoping to table it, to table the motion so that we can let us afford them this opportunity for the benefit of future impeachment processes and to uphold the clear mandate of the 1987 Constitution. All we needed to do was wait a little. And so I will have to register a yes vote. I know it will be a vote in the minority, but I have always voted in the minority in many issues in the Senate since 1992 up to the present. Always prayed I was wrong. Unfortunately, I was always right. My God, have mercy on your decision. I vote yes.
Paktay kayo, sampal sa mukha yung lahat ng mga nag-no. Sakit. Sige.
Noted.
Ito na yung halos nangyayari na yung nangyayaring voting sa panahon ni Erap, di ba? Yung ayaw nilang yung second envelope. Ito na yun eh. Ganitong feeling. Nako pa.
Secretary will please continue.
Senator Tulfo Erwin. Senator Tulfo Rafi. Senator Villanueva. Senator Villar Camille. Senator Villar Mart. Senator Zubiri. Senate President Escudero.
No.
Tingnan mo yung mga mukha nila. Tingnan mo yung mukha ni Cheese, nabubwisit na. Nako po, hindi kayo makakalimutan ng taong bayan. Lagot kayo, boboto kayo.
Ng boto.
Before the explanations of vote, Chair would first like to make of record the result. With 5 affirmative votes, 19 negative votes, the motion to table the motion of Senator Marcoleta is lost. Lost. Soto. Sorry, Senator Soto is lost. No, he said the motion to table the motion of Senator Marcoleta is lost. Pati tuloy ako, nalito dito siya.
Mr. President,
Senator Villanueva.
if I may, Mr. President, and to go back to the first motion raised by Senator Marcoleta, if I may be allowed, Mr. President, to amend, Mr. President, the motion, Mr. President.
The gentleman may proceed with the permission of Senator Marcoleta.
Mr. President, adhering to the immediately executory decision rendered by the Supreme Court en banc on 25 of July 2025, which held, among others, the articles of impeachment are null and void ab initio, and that the Senate did not acquire jurisdiction over the same, I move to transfer the articles of impeachment in relation to case number 002-2011 entitled in the matter of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte to the archives. I so move, Mr. President.
What does Senator Marcoleta say?
I accept, Mr. President.
There is a motion as enunciated by the minority floor leader. What is the pleasure of Senator Zubiri?
Yes, thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, instead of a viva voce vote on that motion, may we be allowed to manifest our votes with a short manifestation, Mr. President, each and every one of us.
This,
Yeah, through nominal voting, Mr. President, with the permission of the body, of course.
no, I think Senator Soto, the motion of Senator Zubiri is to conduct nominal voting and allow the members to explain their votes after casting their vote, not after everyone has voted. I think that is the tenor of the motion of Senator Zubiri.
Correct.
Ang binobotohan muna natin, amendment mo eh, di ba?
Tinanggap
Hindi, yung motion na.
Tinanggap niya. So,
Yes.
Mr. President, Majority Leader, Senator Marcoleta accepted the amendment of the Majority Leader. So, what are we voting on now? May we now
The motion
hear-
as amended
Yes,
by
a motion
Senator
as amended.
Villanueva.
May we hear the motion as amended, please?
May the gentleman,
Yes.
the distinguished majority leader,
Yes,
kindly
Mr.
state
President.
once again for the record and benefit of our colleagues, the motion as duly accepted by Senator Marcoleta.
Thank you, Mr. President. Adhering to the immediately executory decision rendered by the Supreme Court en banc on 25th July 2025, which held, among others, that the articles of impeachment are null and void ab initio, and that the Senate did not acquire jurisdiction over the same, I move to transfer the articles of impeachment in relation to case number 002-2011 entitled in the matter of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte to the archives. I so move, Mr. President.
May we register, would anyone from the minority or those opposing the motion would like to make of record their objection before so that we can divide the House?
Yes, Mr. President,
Yes,
I
please.
object and
Thank you.
ask for a nominal vote.
Thank you. With the understanding, Senator Soto, that it is in accordance with the request of Senator Zubiri, that upon the name is called, the explanation of vote may be made, should they so desire. There is a motion duly objected to, as stated by the minority floor leader, to place into to transfer to the archives the impeachment articles of impeachment in relation to the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. Secretary is directed to call the roll and proceed to nominal voting.
Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan.